Another day of homeschooling. Now I have to get ready. Now that I've got my t-shirt on, I am going to put my beautiful dress with a bow here. I am all dressed now, and now I am going to get my hair done. Doesn't my hair look fantastic? Good thing I'm doing it the easier way because I don't want to ruin. Never mind. Now I'm going to check on the laptop to see what's for homeschooling. Now that I have got the computer set and ready, we are going to see what is on the computer. Ooh, nature mandala. I think we have to go outside because there aren't any leaves in here or flowers in here because this isn't a garden. This is a house. Now we are going to go outside. We are going to do some nature mandala, and that means that we can pick up a few things from the garden and make a picture from it. Mom, since we all have buckets, we are going to put the things that we picked up. We all have buckets. Let's come. I know I'm right here, so I need to come in. We'll get the flower. We need to make a. We want to make a flower, so Mommy's gonna cut the leaves, and we're gonna get the flowers. Pola, come on, let's get the flowers. Oh no, we cut all the flowers. What? 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 What is that? I know. We can get these and get some We can get these and grab some rocks and make some. Oh no! These flowers are here. These flowers are still here. We found it. Oh, Pola found one. We have to find the open ones, not closed ones, because then they're still sleeping like me. Oh, I'm all lazy. Mama. Now that we got everything for the mandala ready, we are going to start making it. First, we're going to start with these branches because I love the branches. Look at this! Now we are going to go and get some more rocks because I want to make a flower around my masterpiece. I couldn't do it all by myself because I needed some help. I had to go home because my back hurt a lot. So yeah, I had to take a rest and eat my dinner. should put them. Not so much, or else it'll burst again. Plastic ones can do it, not things like that. That's enough. Like that, because these rocks are so heavy. I think I know why my back hurt a lot, because I ran a lot, and maybe that's because my back hurt a lot. And when I was at home, Mommy also brought these from the inside because they were bored. My sister and Mommy. Thank you. I am not a very good pet homemaker. Look, I need some help. Wow. Mommy, you do the petals out. Do the camera. Oh no. You help me with the petals. You just do the wrong bit, I'll do the rest of it. Mama, back. Mama. Mommy told me when she didn't do the video, when she was helping me do that round bit, she told me to do empty, empty, two rocks. Empty, empty, two rocks. Empty, empty, two rocks. Mama, back. Mommy, go in there and film Pola. She's having lots of fun. How does snake go away? How does snake go away? With this. Now I am adding my finishing touches that I said I will be doing. Think so. Beautiful, beautiful finishing touches. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's Pola, and I'm copying her voice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What? Mama, back. Mama. And that's the end of it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you ever made a nature mandala picture out of your garden things, it took us all day to do it. And that's the end of homeschooling. Now, bye guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell down below. Peace out.